So there's a West Coast QSO party going on this, or a call Area 7 QSO party happening this weekend. And I love these things because it's a perfect opportunity to test, especially marginal antennas. So I'm going to try calling this guy. This is November 7, zebra, we'll call it ZZ. NN7ZZ in Utah. And what I'm going to be doing, I want to try doing some testing at the 10 watt level. I'm setting my radio to 11 because it's a little off, like me. It's outputting 10.5 watts RMS right now. So let's see if we can work this guy, man. I don't know. We'll see, right? We'll see what 10 watts CW and a Desperation wire antenna can do. I may pause this until he comes back. So there you go, first call. One call, one contact with a Desperation hits the fan wire antenna that's 6 feet off the ground on 2 bamboo sticks. I should stop saying that, adding that part, but it's fun, man. I need to screw off for a while. I'm going to see who else I can work. Hang on. Two calls, two contacts. That's cool. I've got some nasty interference. That's why he's pumping in and out. And that's also why I switched in the 600 hertz roofing filter. Try working another one. So there you go. What's this call? November Golf 7 Mexico. Okay, thank you, sir. 3 call attempts, 3 contacts. And that makes Utah, California, and where is he? New Mexico, I think? Hang on. I was wrong. I thought I had worked 3 states. I have worked Utah and California, 2 in Utah, and 1 fellow in California. See if we can find someone else. Oh, come on, electrical noise, please stop. Jesus, every afternoon it's ruining my... Oh my God. You know what, man? I can't even work someone that's 20 dB over 9 when this crap starts. I'm gonna have to take my portable radio and go walk in the neighborhoods and track this shit down. So that was cool. That was K7RL in the state of Washington. Man, no, I can't get it. Well, yes, that's not true. I guess I could contact Hawaii if I wanted to. Right, if I wanted to. It's that easy, isn't it? Or Alaska. Yeah, Alaska's a nightmare. But I got Washington State in the corner of the continental U.S. From my home state of Michigan, using my Desperation shit hits the fan and fed half-wave wire 6 feet off the ground on my bamboo sticks. So do I really need to make more CW contacts to prove the efficacy of this antenna? To prove the validity of its concept? I believe that I do not need to make more contacts using a CW. It's 20 meters. It's a pretty easy band to make contacts on. I don't care where they are in the world. It's a pretty darn great band. Easy to make contacts. 40 meters a little more difficult. That's why I want to be done with the testing on this 20 meter wire and get the 40 meter wire back on those bamboo sticks out in the yard. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to post it tonight. And then the next video, I've got to do the unwind, and then which will be an easy short video. But and then I'm going to come back to this wire, and I'm going to this QSO party runs through the weekend, so tomorrow I'm going to try to crank out a handful of contacts using single sideband. So there you go. That was fun. So got a little cranky there. That noise is terrible, and you're almost better off not trying to filter it out, because the best filter we have, the very finest filter we have, is in our skull. 73.